offer day-to-day our work and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, diligent to our studies, so that we may merit the blessings for us at our school. For the love of Jesus, in heaven. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Thank you, Abby. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Sheena. Good morning, classmates. Good morning to Mabuhay.
How are you today?
We're fine, thank you, Ma'am.
Okay, that's good to hear. So before we start our new lesson for today, let's have an agreement first. So what will we do if someone is talking here in front? Okay, yes?
Listen.
Very good. You were going to listen. How about if you want to answer? Yes? Very good. Exactly. You need to raise your hand para dili gudon ang atuang klase. How about if you have a group activity? What will you do? What will you have a group activity? Okay? Listen and then collaborate. Mutabang ka sa atuang. Mutabang ka sa atuang kagrupo para dali mo man atuang gigama. So, do we have an agreement now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. That's good to hear. So now, before we proceed to our new lesson for today, let's take a look at this photo. So what can you see? Isa may nakaan ng picture. So, isa may nakaan ng picture. Yes? Isa yung kitain mo.
Patient.
Ang spaceship. Anit. Ikaw. Star. Ikaw. Saturn. Ikaw. Sun. Ikaw. Very good. Your answers are all correct. So, pila ka star inyong nakita? Kani, pila ka star inyong nakita? 5. How about the spaceship? Pila ka spaceship inyong nakita? 2. Very good. How about the planet Saturn? 4. Very good. So, who has any idea kung sa ako ang topic karon? What do you think is the topic for today? Okay, yes, Abby? Very good. So our topic for today is called addition without
Grouping.
Okay, so at the end of the lesson, the grade 1 should be able to add 1 to 2 numbers with sums through 99 without regrouping, while the grade 2 should be able to add 2 to 3 numbers with sums through 1000 without regrouping, while the grade 3 should be able to add 3 to 4 numbers with sums to 10,000 without regrouping. So do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now let's talk about our lesson sa addition. What is addition?
Addition is a math operation in which we add the numbers together to get their sum. It is denoted by the addition symbol class.
Okay, so addition daw class is a math operation in which we add, take note the add the numbers together to get their sum. So it is denoted by the addition symbol. What do you call this?
Plus.
Plus sign. So pag naingon ani, it means mag-add ka. It means addition. So addition is mag-add of numbers together, diba? So for example, 1 plus 2, pila man? 3. Pila answer? 1 plus 2? 3. So, mao ni siya gitawag nga
Sum.
Sum is the final result obtained after adding the addends. Well, the addends are the numbers that being added. So, 1 o 2, kasi tawag nila?
Addends.
Addends. Very good. Do you understand our lesson for today?
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay, now pwede ay without regrouping. So without regrouping means combining numbers without carrying. Dili ta mag-carry or dili ta mag-R or dili ta magbulang-bulang sa laing number from one place to another. So mo na yung regrouping. Do you understand?
Yes.
So for example, sa grade 1. Pila ka rectangles imong nakita? We count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So there are 5 rectangles. How about the grade 2? 149 plus 21 is equal to 170. Grade 3?
6,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,000 equal 10,000.
Okay, so now, let's have an activity. Sabot naman ko. For grade 1, you are going to answer this. So, mag-1 ka man. Mag-add ka, dayon, you are going to color. Well, the grade 2, choose and write 2 addends from the house and find their sum. So, magpili ra magduha ka number ani para i-add ninyo dayon. Dili ra pud ninyo makita ang answer. So, 16 plus 22, dili ra pud ninyo makita ang answer. Well, the grade 3, paminang grade 3. You're going to solve this problem. So, grade 3, palayo kong copy. Copy mo. Umana na grade 3 na. Umana na grade 3. Grade 2, kapiya sa ninyo. Umana na. Okay. Now, ang pag-answer na mo, will just give you 5 minutes. Okay, pass your paper. So what do you think is our lesson? So what do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, Anna? Very good. Our topic for today is called addition without regrouping. So, what is addition? Isa ka ang addition? Sige, Abby. Isa addition, Abby. Sige, Tindog. Stand. What is addition? Plus. Isa mo ng plus? Mag-usa mo sa addition, plus, mag-plus tag mga ka number. So, addends. So, isa may idea sa addends. Sige. Ikaw, sa addends tilay. Ang addends kay ang duha ka number na ni plus. For example, 1 o 2. Mo na ginawa na addends. Ang sum. Isa man ang sum.
The final answer?
Yes, very good. The final answer. For example, 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Mo na ay sum. So, what do you think kana mag-need tag makabalo kung sa addition? Why do you think na mag-need tag study about addition? Ano mag-study ng about addition kay?
To break?
To? Isa?
To become break?
Okay. To become bright or smart? What else? What else? Why do you think? Mag-study tag addition kay ikaw? Para makatuon, makabalo. Okay, very good. So, we need to study addition para makabalo tag iha. Kung magalit sa tindahan mo, hindi mo kabalo mo iha kay magansi mo kay makulangan yung sukli or amo may magkulang o bayad. So, mo na mag-need to study addition. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now get your notebooks. Ikuha yung mga notebooks ka. O pangulong
Ma'am. Magsanap mo ka, ma'am? Ay, hindi. Bulas na. Nag-chipi. Jin, tiri na to, Jin. Ako rin.
sige.
Mama, ma'am.
Hindi na, basigod sa na. Notebooks or
At pipi.
hindi. Sige ra. Basta. Okay, alin na, alin na. Okay, please take your things na. Faster. Okay, for number 1 sa grade 1. Sa grade 1 ina, number 1, okay. 5 plus 8 is equal to, just choose the letter to complete the missing circle. 5 plus 8 is equal to, sa grade 1 ina, grade 1 eh. Grade 1 lang. Next, next grade 2. Sige. Next, grade 2. Grade 2. Number 1, grade 2. Isulat lang, isulat. Grade 3. Number 1, grade 3. Number 2 sa grade 1. Number 2 sa grade 1. Number 2 sa grade 3. Sa grade 2. Number 2 sa grade 3. Okay, number 3 sa grade 1. ABCD lang isulat. A, B, B, or C, D. Number 3 sa grade 2. Number 3 sa grade 3. Number 4 sa number 4 sa grade 1. 20 plus 2. Kailan may answer? Sulat sa notebook. Number 4 sa grade 2. 1 plus 8 plus 7. Kailan may answer? Number 4 sa grade 3. 1,250 plus 1,000 plus 1,000. Number 5 sa grade 1. 3 plus 2. Ilan man? Number 5 sa grade 2. 23 plus 45. Number 5 sa grade 3. 5 and 6,000 plus 1,050 plus 1,000. Sige. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
For your assignment, please copy your assignment. So this is the assignment for grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. Ang inyong assignment, try yung